Have you seen Sigma Boy?
I haven't seen him.
What if something bad happened to him?
I feel so bad. I always teased him. Sigma Boy! I found his scarf in the tree.
This really is Sigma Boy's scarf.
They got pulled in already? Where are we? Sigma Boy! He can't hear us.
His mind is clouded by sadness. Hi, I'm Trakatucatulu de la Peladustu, Sigma Boy's favorite toy ever.
You know Sigma Boy. Then where are we?
Hop in.
This is the sadness memory zone of Sigma Boy. We ignored him before.
I didn't mean to hurt him.
You need to fix your mistake.
This tastes so good!
Your sushi is amazing.
Let's all play together!
The sad memories have been healed.
This looks like a puzzle piece! Maybe the answer is to put all the pieces together.
Then let's try it. This picture is...
Look, this picture makes us look like one big family.
See? I'm so clever!
You guys were really mean to me.
We were really unfair to you.
Oh no! Get over there before the bridge collapses.
No!
He did that just to help us.
Sigma Boy, stop! We know we were wrong!
Please, don't leave us behind.
Wake up, Sigma Boy! We're really sorry!
Look, you drew this. We're a family, right?
He's been hurt too much already.
Stay away from him. You won't hurt him ever again.
No! I truly regret what I did! Please bring Sigma back!
I've forgiven you too many times. I'll never trust you again. You don't have to protect me anymore. I want to believe in them again.
What are they doing in there? You're really back!
We're so sorry for hurting you.
Sigma Boy, you're here! I missed you so much!
Mom! Dad! Where are you? Have you seen these two people?
I saw them, but they left.
Do you know where they went?
The forest is dangerous at night. Come rest at my place. I'll help you find them. They stayed with me. They were always sad.
They're looking for me too.
Don't worry, I'll go ask around for you.
It reminds me of the first sushi my dad taught me to make.
Sigma Boy!
Someone saw two penguins get on a boat.
I have to find them now. Thank you so much. Mom! Dad! They didn't hear me. They're just ahead. I'll catch up. Mom! Dad! I finally found you!
Who are you looking for?
I'm sorry. I thought you were someone else. Why isn't it them? No! No! I can't lose that photo. It's the only memory I have of them.